Today I will change this support, the strut of this hood. This one is, without this support, it will go down like that. So I'll just use a pipe like that to support this one, and then I bought this one. It's the brand is Tough Support. It's a gas charge lip support. So we will see if this will work on this one. Is a little bit different than this one, a little bit smaller. I hope it will work. Let's see. There. That one, it's easily removed. That one there. There. And we insert that one. Okay, there. Oh, there. Okay. So just one at work. Okay, just one at work. So I guess only this right one is the bad one. The original, it has left. This one is left, and I put this one here in case. But the other one is look like the other one on the right. So the other one, you have to remove this clip like that. And then remove it. there, and it's easy to put. And then you see the original, it has the other one is right, this is right, and the other one is left. That's the original. And I think some brand they make it like that, one for the left and one for the right. But this one, the one I bought, it's you can use it either way, left or right. Let's see that even if you push it like that, it will push it, it will open. So let's try that. And there, that's the sign that it's working properly. There, see. Okay, so that's good. This is just like, I think it's $15 or $18, $15 or $17. I bought it from Amazon, and that is the brand Tough Support. If you buy this from if you buy this from Lexus, this is I think this is very expensive. I don't know how much, but I'm sure it's very expensive. And this is a 2015 Lexus RX 350. There, it's a 2015 RX 350. It's a 7 years old SUV. I don't know why. Maybe because it's small and it's for 7 years, so at least even this one will last for 4 years, 5 years. You know, my $17 you know, is worth it. But my other truck, I think because it's big, I think because it's big, it's original since 2006. There. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe on my channel, and please not forget to click the notification bell so I can notify you on my next video. And thank you for watching. Bye.